Today on the Street Food Chef YouTube channel, we're here in Mungwi in the hinterlands of Bali. And what is well known here is crispy fish Nyat-Nyat style. And this is basically a bumbu gede, but it's a little bit different. It's got a lot more chili in there and it's got a lot more spices. To start off with, we've got some wonderful perch that we have here. I wish I caught it a couple of minutes ago from the river, but I actually brought it along with me. What we're going to do is basically just score it a couple of times here, and then we're going to pop the turmeric in there. I'm going to add a little bit of lime juice in here as well. Tilapia is a wonderful fish to use. It's fresh water. It's half the price of things like snapper. And also the great thing that I like about using it is that it's sustainable. You can either have it fresh, as in wild, or it's also farmed as well. So I've got the oil fairly hot and I'm going to add this into here. Slowly shallow fry it. So while this is frying, let me explain a little bit more about the paste. So what we have here is basically shallot, garlic, turmeric, a little bit of ginger, kencur, galangal, lemongrass, lots of small chilies, lots of big chilies that they're going to put in here, a little bit of shrimp paste, and Basa Wangen, which is basically like a Balinese spice powder. Take all these ingredients, pound them together to make a paste like this. Okay, so the fish is almost finished. It's nice and crispy. Some of the same oil. We just add in our paste. So we just fry this out for about maybe 5-6 minutes until the moisture starts to evaporate. I'm going to add in my lemongrass and add in some salam leaf, lime leaf in here as well. Break that up. Palm sugar, add in a bit of salt. And you can see the paste starting to dry out now. That's what you're looking for. Then I'm going to put in a little bit of coconut milk or cream. So bring that up to the boil. So now I'm going to place the fish into the curry sauce, and then this should slowly cook out, and basically the crispiness of the fish will slightly go because you're looking for that flavor and that coconut milk to really penetrate inside the crispy fish. And that's what Nyat-Nyat basically means. So now we just bring this up here. There we go. Oh, look at that. Absolutely yummily perfect. Then I'm going to add some deep fried shallots on here. There we go, put that on there. Whoa. And I'm gonna slice a little bit of lemon. There we go. And we'll just pop that there. And here is our crispy fish Nyat-Nyat.